Hello everyone, so we're here from this analyze of this games in Sherham Masters 2025. So it means round number 7 or day 7 from this one. So it means these are the time clocks from long games within 1 hour and 30 minutes from this round robin. So it means long game from this one. So it means after round number 6, so it means today's round number 7 from this one. And also have between from this grandmaster in Singapore is Jing Yao Tin. So it means there are chess in this country from Singapore from this one. And also versus from this international master in Kazakhstan is Bibisara Azarbayeva from this one. So it means these are the Kazakhstan here from this one. In today's round number 7 here in this part of this video, you have analyzed here of these chess games in these Sherham Masters. So white plays tin is d4, knight f6 Bibisara, c4, c6. So it means it's called slap Indian defense by Indians game. So these are the main line is e6 here. So it means these are, I don't know what King's Indian defense. So I don't know King's Indian defense. So it means c4 here from this one. So back there c6 by Bibisara, slap Indian defense from this one. Knight c3 and also d5 slap defense and knight f3 and also e6. So it means without e6. So what do you think if you capture this pawn takes free pawns here from this one and also e3 and decided it's b5. So these are the good slightly betters from whites and blacks here from this one. These are good determinations here from this one. So back there is e6 by Bibisara here and also bishop to g5 by teens without move by pin by queens or threats by knights here without determinations by, so it means without realizations to connecting by here without targets by develops here from this one. And also knight bd7 without defense by knights, captured and also e3. So it means e3. So these are the e3 by pawns here from this one and queen a5. So it means without queen a5 here. So maybe with the strongest move by Bibisara. So without with the idea to forward to bishop to b4 without threats by knights here from this one. These are determinations here from this one. So these are the strongest move here. So it means very danger by whites here from this one. And also knight d2 here without move here decide by teens and also jumping knight e4 by Bibisara, knight takes captured, pawn takes, and also bishop h4 with idea to stop by move here by blocks here. So this one controls need to idea to forward by bishop to h4 here from this one. And also knight b6. So these are none of these booklets. So it means novelty by Bibisara from this knight b6. So these are the old mainline. Good novelty is bishop to b4 without pin. So without pin here or maybe without behind the queens or threats by knights without strongest move here. So it means dangers from whites here from this one. So back novelty is knight b6 by Bibisara here and also bishop to e2 by Tin by upcoming castling kingside by develops here from this one and also bishop a3. Oh my god, bishop a3 here without sacrifice. So it means if you capture this bishop and queen takes captured. So it means threats by knights. So it means very dangerous from whites here from this one. And also castle kingside by Tin with idea to castling here and bishop takes captured by pawns without threats by rook and also the brilliant move another idea to puzzle. So what do you think the idea to new brilliant sacrifice by Grandmaster Jing Yao Tin in Singapore? So while waiting for couple for seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much and congrats for everyone. Knight takes e4. Brilliant move by Jingya team. Sacrifice without double exclamation mark from this one. And bishop takes rook. One rook down by team. So it means bishop takes captured. And also knight d6 check. Good move by team. So it means these are the good moves without check. And force king f8. Good move by Bibisara. And decided is queen takes bishop. Without develops by pawns here. And h5 by Bibisara. So it means these are the without movement here, but without time controls. And queen b1 without move. So it means the queen b1 is does not one of this computer engine. So it means bad move. So the best moves there is bishop to g3 without stopping by without push, or I don't know what you think is this one without sacrifice. So it means bishop to g3 here from this one without develops here from this one. So back there is one is queen b1 and also queen a3 without move here from this one without develops, and bishop to g3 and rook h6. So it means bad move by Bibisara. So the best moves there is bishop to e6 without threats by pawns, or maybe by queens by pawns here without threats by pawns here from this development. So back there is rook h6 here and also queen e4 without leaving by pawn. So it means mark X move by queen without miss move. So it means miss move. So the best moves there is knight to c4 without threats by queens here. So if you capture this, knight takes captured and bishop takes knight. So it means we need to develop here from this pawns here from this one. So I got sore throat. My problems, my throats here from this one. So it means let's continue. So back there is one is queen e4. So what do you think? Why the leaving of this developed by pawns here from this one? And bishop e6 without strongest by Bibisara, or without threats by pawns, without developments, without determination. So what do you think the queen on bishop here from this one? And also bishop to e5. So it means another bad move by team. So it means question mark. So the best moves there is also h3. So it means h3 here if you capture this queen and decided is king to h2. So it means these are the develops here from this one. So back there is bishop a5 here and also knight d7 threats by bishop, bishop f4 with the threats by rooks, and rook g6. Oh my god. Rook g6 is giving by Mark Grades blunderacious by Bibisara. So it means double question mark. So it means these are the lowest here from this bar. So the best moves there is backward to rook to h8. So it means rook backwards to h8 here from this one. You need to backwards here. So rook g6 blunderacious and queen b1. So it means another miss move by Tin. So the best moves there is queen to c2. So it means queen to c2 here from this one. We need to develop here from this one. So need to or develops or maybe without defense here from this one. So back there is queen b1 and also captured. Queen takes a2. So these are the tab is fasting. So these are troubles my mouse or tabs. So it means queen takes a2. Bishop takes captured, threats by rooks. And accept Bibisara, queen takes captured, good move, rook takes, and rook f6. So without move here or without determinations, and rook takes b7, another bad move by Tin. So the best moves is knight takes captured only. So it means without knight takes captured. So these are the develops here from this development. So back there is Rook takes b7, and also good move b5. Without good move by Bibisara here. Bishop f3, a4 without pushes upcoming by a3. So it means a3, a2, or promotes queen. So it means threatening by meeting nets. So thinking from this one. And bishop takes captured by bishop. The bishop takes captured by pawns from this one. So the next puzzle. So what do you think the idea to find new brilliant sacrifice by pushes without international master BB Sara? So while waiting for a couple for seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much and congrats for everyone. Push A3. Brilliant move by BB Sara in Kazakhstan. Sacrifice. Double exclamation mark. Brilliant move by pushes. So look at the evaluation bar. It's very higher. So it means evaluation bar is okay. So it means evaluation bar. So it means A3. Brilliant move. Brilliant move by BB Sara here. And also Rook B1. So without movement here, and a2 without threats. So if you capture this one, oh, so it means capture threatening mating nets. Threatening by mating nets by king. So these are the dangers here by whites here without pushes here. And also rook e1, rook b8. Oh, what the strongest move by BB Sara. So these are without, if you move by here, rook b1. So if you move by here, captured, and captured without threatening mating net. Threatening mating nets here from this one. So it means threatening mating net. And also knight b7. So in the second puzzle, so what do you think the sacrifice, another brilliant sacrifice by international master BB Sara in Kazakhstan. So while waiting for couple for seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. Rook takes bishop. Sacrifice. Brilliant move. The rook! So it means the Gotham chess is said. So it means rook takes captured. The rook! So it means the shouting of Gotham chess on this one. And pawn takes rook. Knight f6 without movement. And also g3. And also bishop to d5. So it means bad move by BB Sara. So the best moves there is bishop to b3. So it means without develop. So it means these are evaluation bar. Evaluation bar is good from this one. So back there is bishop to d5 and capture this bishop. Good move. Knight takes captured. Rook takes pawn. Rook takes knight. So it means so one rook only by Tin by Jinghao Tin and the two pieces rook to knights by BB Sara. So it means 2 versus 1. So these are developments here from this one. So king g2, king e7, and also h4 without movement, g6, rook a5 without threats by knights, rook d7 without develops by defense by knights here, king f3, and also knight d4, rook e5. So repeat ha. Okay. So it means so so it means king f3, king must be active. So these are the without move by king to e4 or threats by knight. So it means king must be active from this one. So I'm sorry, I forgot something, the realizations by thinking here from this one. So it means king f3 and knight b4, and rook e5 check, king f6 without threats by rooks here, h5. So it means without h5 here, knight c6 without threats by rooks, rook c5 threats by knights, and knight takes capture check, king g2, knight e6 threats by rooks, and rook a5, captured, rook takes, and rook d2, rook a5, rook b2, rook d5, and rook c2. So it means it's called dancing move. Dancing man, we go together every dancing man. So it means dancing man from this rook here. So it means dancing. King f3, knight g7, rook d6 check, and king e7 threats by rooks here. Rook d5, king e6 threats by rooks, and also check, king f6, and rook d5, knight f5 without move here, without threats, or maybe with a move by knight to e7 or threats by rooks here from these determinations here. And also rook d3, king e6, and rook d1, knight d6, rook d3, knight c4. So it means without move by knight to b2 or threats by rooks here by determinations here from this one. Rook d4, knight d2 check, and king g2 good move by teens, f6, and also g4. So it means three. So it means 3 pawns by whites by Jing Yao teens and 1 pawn only by Bibisara. So it means 3 versus 1. So it means that continues knight b3 here, threats by rooks, rook e4 check, and king d5 threats by rooks, and rook to e8. So it means how many clocks here? So it means 1 minute and 36 seconds. I'm sorry, my speaking. So again, how many time clocks here? So it means 1 minute and 36 seconds by Jing Yao Teens, and also 2 minutes and 25 seconds by Bibisara from Azarbayeva. So I'm sorry, I got these are the abnormal my talk from this one. So it means these are determinations, so I forgot. So let's continue. Rook e8 here, knight c5 here, and also g5 without movement here, or threats by pawns here, and also decided capture this pawn. So it means cannot continue from this pawn. So it means decided agree draw from round number 6. So it means so it means why continue cannot continue. So why they draw? Because if you capture this, pawn takes captured. So realize that to upcoming this one or upcoming push, or maybe here promotes queen, this ends of this battle games. So it means end of this game. So the score from these white pieces by Teen 92.1, and the black pieces score by Bibisara is 92.3. So it means the win of these black pieces, Bibisara Azarbayeva, Kazakhstan. So I will analyze from this round number 7. So I will analyze of these two games here from this one. So I hope that this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Luwagi 17, aka I call my 17. Have a good day, keep safe, and keep updates of the next chess updates. Bye bye.